Morning student, continue with our topic, chapter number 5th. Essential features of Manley's periodic table. Manley periodic table contain the vertical column called groups and horizontal row called period. There are in all 8 group 1 to group 8. Each of this group from 1st to 7th is divided into 2 subgroups A and B. As we can see, 2 subgroups are there, A and B. Group 8 has no subgroup. In group number 8, no subgroup is there. Inert gases were not known at that time. All elements of subgroups or groups 8 which has no subgroups have similar properties and show the same valencies, which is equal to the group number for up to group 4th or group number subtracted from 8 for group 5 to 7. In a periodic, elements gradually change from metallic to a non-metallic character, or metallic character decreases as one moves from left to right across the horizontal row. So here property decreases, metallic property decreases and non-metallic property increases from moving left to right. Merits of Manley table. Advantage: grouping of elements. He generalized the study of the element then known to a study of mere 8 groups. Gap for undiscovered element. In order to make sure that element having similar properties fell in the same vertical column or group, Manley left some gaps in his periodic table. These gaps were left for subsequent inclusion of elements not known at that time. Manley correctly thought that each element would be discovered later. So it was a great thing which was done by the Manley, that the element which was not discovered at that time, he kept the gap or left the space between the table for those elements which was not discovered at that time. So it was a great achievement of Manley's table, and that is the reason why we are recognizing him for his work. Prediction of properties of undiscovered element. So he predicted the property also for the element which was not discovered at that time. He predicted the properties of the unknown elements on the basis of the properties of element lying adjacent to the vacant slot. He actually predicted the properties of some undiscovered element in 1871. Here few elements given. Example, aluminium means one place below aluminium in the group. So meaning of aluminium. Its atomic mass and chemical property are quite similar to those of the element gallium, discovered later on in 1876. So property similar with the gallium. Properties of egg silicon are the property of the germanium. Here we can see the table. Properties: egg aluminium, gallium, egg silicon and germanium. So atomic mass, density, melting point, valency, formula of oxides is given here. You have to revise it once. Here oxides examples also given here. Now incorrect atomic mass corrected. So if any element having incorrect mass, he corrected the atomic mass of that element. He was able to correct the value of atomic mass of element like gold and platinum by placing these elements strictly on the basis of similarity in their properties.